In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card. First, make sure you are using a web browser. You cannot redeem a gift card through the Roblox mobile app or on a game console. It has to be done through a browser, whether you are on a phone, PC, or Mac. Open your browser and go to the official Roblox redeem page. You can find it by going to roblox.com/redeem. Make sure you are logged into the correct Roblox account that you want the credit added to. Now, grab your gift card. If it is a physical card, gently scratch off the gray security bar on the back to reveal your PIN code. If it is a digital card, find the code in your email or digital wallet. Once you have your code, type it into the box on the redemption page. Double-check that you have entered it correctly. Then click the Redeem button. A success message will appear on the screen confirming that your code has been accepted. Your Robux or credit will then be added to your account straight away. If your gift card comes with a virtual item, make sure you also claim that after redeeming your code, as it may appear as a separate step on the page. That is it. The whole process takes less than a minute, and your Robux will be ready to use immediately. That is how you do it.